In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unblock an email address from sending you mail on your AOL Mail client. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up AOL and select the settings gear button up at the top right. Go down and select more settings. On the left panel now, select security and privacy. And any email address that are listed underneath blocked addresses, just click the little trash bin icon to remove it or to delete the blocked sender. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.